Alright guys, we're out here with Ian. We're bassing at a golf course. I just caught one. No. Ow. Just watch me and then you'll see. So I'm gonna pitch it along, Ian. Let it fall all the way down. There's a fish.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. No. Solid bass. Okay guys, second cast. Another fish. Took my worm.
Are you kidding me? Yeah.
Thought you meant to say like, are you serious? Oh, my worm's gone, but yeah. First bass of the day. Puny. Gonna get another one. Oh, here comes the rain.
Heavy rain.
Okay, the rain stopped enough for me to bring the GoPro back out. I think I caught one more and Ian caught one more in the rain. It's pouring. There's a fish. Another bass on the wacky. Oh, look at the heron coming for my fish. Jeez. That was sketchy. Ow. He's wet. Oh, I'm about to get it. There we go. Fish is gone. Nice fish. I think we're gonna put on a rage crawl. Texas rigged. We'll see. Ow. Ew, there's a ton of locust shells on this tree. That's crazy. Yeah, the shells. Okay, now we're using the Craw Daddy. The rage crawl.
Like a pro golfer.
Really?
Yeah,
That's cool. We gotta go back over there as soon as they're gone. Oh, there's more. God. Oh yeah. He was there, like he gets. Like as we were walking over, it splashed. Swam away, and then I got him. Oh. About the same size as earlier. Agreed? That one was really small too. I saw him in the water. He picked my crawl up off the ground. Another fish. Dang! He got it like right. What the heck? They were bigger earlier. I don't know if I should be happy about that. Huh. What? We gotta move. Just gotta hit. There's a fish. Oh, is that a turtle? Damn! Holy shoot! Ian. Okay, I don't know if I got that or not. He cut right through my craw. There's a fish. Oh my gosh, Ian. Look at this fish. Why? No. Do whatever you want. Alright guys, now we're using this black and blue jig with this crawl on the back. I don't know what it's called, but it's like green pumpkin with some purple flakes.